Have you heard a private or hard money lending company state that they are a balance sheet lender and wondered what that means or why it matters to you? In this video, I'm going to explain what a balance sheet lender is, how it affects the loan process, and how to find balance sheet lenders that offer private mortgages for both commercial real estate and residential investment properties. I'm Butani, CEO of PrivateLenderLink.com, where investors and brokers can easily find direct, private hard money lending companies. If you're in the investment real estate business and want to gain insights into private mortgage lending, subscribe to our channel and get notified every time we release a new video. When a private mortgage company is a balance sheet lender, that just means they have the money in their bank account and have the control to fund the loan when it's ready to close. Now, you might be thinking, duh, obviously the lender has the money to fund the loan, otherwise they wouldn't be called a lender. Well, that's not always the case in private lending. Many private and hard money mortgage lending companies have a different business model in which they use capital from high net worth individuals or family office investors to get their loans funded. In this case, the lender just handles the origination, underwriting, processing, and then when it's ready to close, the mortgage investor wires the funds into escrow or to the title company, and the loan funds are dispersed. This is also referred to as table funding. There's nothing wrong with this method of funding loans. I think it's a great business model. Some people consider this loan brokering and feel a balance sheet lender is a real lender. In my opinion, if the mortgage investor charges an origination fee, also known as points, then it's a brokered loan. But in most of these deals, the investor doesn't charge any points. They just invest the loan amount and receive the interest payments without having any communication or relationship with the borrower. So what's the benefit of borrowing from a balance sheet lender? Overall, it's speed and control of funding. A balance sheet lender may be able to close faster because they control the money. And as soon as the loan docs are signed, the lender can wire the funds and the loan is closed. A non-balance sheet lender that uses investors' funds may be able to close just as fast, but there are a few moving parts that have the potential to cause delays. When the lender has to raise capital to fund a loan, it could take a few days to get a commitment from a mortgage investor. The other potential delay could come at the time of funding if the investor suddenly backs out or doesn't wire the money according to schedule. Most well-established lenders that use this model have a large network of wealthy investors who are very eager to fund loans, and the capital raising doesn't take more than a few hours. Or even if it does require some time, it can be done alongside the underwriting and loan processing to prevent any delays. Many lenders that use their own funds to close loans like to use the term balance sheet lender in their marketing to inform borrowers and brokers that they control the money. However, there is a possibility that your loan request doesn't get funded from the balance sheet. I've seen some lenders that are a balance sheet lender for certain types of loans in certain regions, but for loans that are slightly outside of their wheelhouse, they may use a wealthy investor to fund it. Or they may partner with another private mortgage lending company that is more comfortable with that particular loan type. Most well-established lending companies have many capital sources and use multiple capital structures. I'll make a separate video to cover all the different capital structures used by private lending companies. If you're looking for a private or hard money lender, use our website PrivateLenderLink.com as a resource. There's no fee to search and no registration required. From the homepage, just select a loan type and then enter a state or major metro area. Scroll through the results and use the filters on the left to refine the results. Click on each lender's profile to learn about their lending guidelines, rates, fees, and much more. Contact each lender directly and mention you found them on PrivateLenderLink.com. If you found this video to be helpful, please click the like button and be sure to check out our other videos about private and hard money lending. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.